Hey everyone, today I've got some incredible tips and strategies to share on how you can skyrocket your Blum Bot points and get ahead of the game. Plus, I'll also be revealing the official listing date, so make sure to stick around until the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you all. A free giveaway of 2 USDT to 100 lucky winners. Yes, you heard that right. It's super easy to participate. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop your name and USDT deposit address on the TON network in the comments below. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll be randomly selecting 100 of you to win. So hit that like button, subscribe, and spread the word. Oh, and if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, the link is in the description. We regularly post puzzle solutions, updates on new projects, and much more. We've got 4 to 5 exciting projects launching this month, and our community chat is always open for questions. Don't miss out. Alright, let's get into how you can boost your Blum Bot points. The first and perhaps most powerful method? Referrals. Referrals are key to earning big points quickly, and I'm going to show you tried and tested methods that work. Method 1. Facebook groups. Head over to Facebook and search for groups like Make Money Online or Free Earnings. These communities are always looking for new opportunities, and they're the perfect place to share your referral link. You'll find tons of people interested in joining and using the Blum Bot. Method 2. Google and websites. You can also share your referral link on specific websites that allow it. But here's the catch. Make sure the referrals you bring in are real. Fake referrals won't help you in the long run, and it's always best to play fair. Method 3. Friends and family. Don't overlook the power of inviting friends or family members. Getting them on board not only earns you points, but you're also introducing them to one of the best Telegram bots out there, Blum. Some users are saying it's even better than competitors like Dogs and Ncoin. Method 4. Multiple accounts. This one's a bit tricky. You can create multiple accounts on a single device and invite them to your main account for extra bonuses. Now, while there's currently no rule banning multiple accounts, it can be a double-edged sword. Some users have taken it too far by creating hundreds or even thousands of accounts, and this could raise red flags. So, if you go this route, do it cautiously. Another tip is playing tickets. This one's crucial. When the listing or mining deadline is announced, you'll want to play your tickets immediately. Why? Because when the deadline hits, everyone will be rushing to use theirs, leading to possible lag or downtime. In past experiences with similar bots, users weren't able to access their tickets due to heavy traffic when the listing was announced. So, play your tickets early to avoid missing out. And of course, always stay on top of the tasks. Specifically, the YouTube tasks that require you to submit certain codes. I've gathered all the codes from the first video to the most recent one, and I'll be sharing them on my Telegram channel every 3 days. The link is in the description, so make sure to join. Another tip, mining every 8 hours. Did you know you can speed up your mining by 10% by joining our channel's clan? Again, links to everything are in the description. Even if you're just starting today, these methods, especially referrals, will help you catch up quickly. Mining alone won't be enough since the listing has been delayed, and some users have already stacked a ton of points. This is a race, and the more points you collect now, the bigger your rewards later. Speaking of rewards, let's talk about the official listing date. Previously, there were rumors that the listing would happen on September 20th. Unfortunately, those rumors were false. The official listing is now scheduled for the 4th quarter of this year. So we're looking at October, November, or December. Here's something to keep in mind. The US presidential election is happening in mid-November, and this could have a major impact on the crypto market. We're also nearing the end of a 4-year bull run cycle, and Bitcoin is showing bullish trends. How does this help us? Well, when Bitcoin rises, altcoins often follow suit and experience even bigger gains. Most bots tend to announce their listings in October or early November to take advantage of these market conditions. So it's highly likely that Blum Bot will list before mid-November, probably late October or early November. Any other date you hear is just speculation. This is the official update straight from Blum Bot itself. That's it for today's update. If there are any changes to the listing date or other important airdrop updates, I'll be sure to make another video to keep you all in the loop. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to help out, and don't forget about the USDT giveaway. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your USDT deposit address in the comments. We're giving away 2 USDT to 100 lucky subscribers once we hit 1,000. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Don't miss out on our next video, where we'll dive into even more tips and strategies to maximize your earnings in the Blum Bot. See you next time, and happy mining.